Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and press the bell icon. This is the demo video of our upcoming tutorial, Angular 18 template-driven form validation. Let's see the demo. Here is the form with different fields like first name, last name, email, username, password, confirm password, gender, mobile, state, city, and terms. There are also two buttons, submit and reset. If we click on the Submit button without entering data in these fields, it will display errors in all the fields. Like first name can't be blank, last name can't be blank, email can't be blank. It will also display an error message, all fields are required, above the form. If we enter a character in the first name field, it will display a new error message, minimum 3 characters are required. As soon as we enter 3 characters in this field, the error message will disappear, and the border color of the field will turn green. In the last name field, the same thing will happen. As soon as we enter 3 characters in this field, the error message will disappear, and the border color of the field will turn green. In the email field, if we enter an invalid email, the error message will change to invalid email format. If we enter a valid email address, the error message will disappear, and the border color of the field will turn green. In the username field, minimum 3 characters are required. But username cannot be PHP node tuts. If we enter the username as PHP node tuts, it will display an error message, username can't be PHP node tuts. Even if we enter PHP node tuts in uppercase, it will display the same error message. If we enter a different username, the error message will disappear, and the border color of the field will turn green. Now, for a password, a minimum of 8 characters is required, and it must contain at least 1 lowercase letter, 1 uppercase letter, 1 numeric digit, and 1 special character. Otherwise, it will display an error. Here I am entering the password John at 123, where J is uppercase, and the error message will disappear. Now, if we enter a password that doesn't match the previously entered password, it will display an error, passwords do not match. After we enter the same password, the error message will disappear. Now, if we choose a gender, the gender is required error message will disappear. For the mobile number, it must be 10 digits only, otherwise, it will display an error, mobile number must be 10 digits. Now, if we try to submit the form without selecting a state, entering a city name, and checking the terms, it will display an error message, all fields are required above the form. Let's select a state. The error message has disappeared. For city, minimum 3 characters are required. Finally, we need to accept the terms by checking the checkbox. You can see that the Submit button is now enabled. Now, if we click on the Submit button, the form will be reset, and a success message will be displayed, registration successful. You can see that the form has been reset, and here is the success message. If we open the console, we will see an object with all the data we have entered. Here you can see, form submitted message and object with the data we entered. Now let's see a demo of the reset form. If we click on the reset button, the form will be reset. Let's enter data in the fields and then click the reset button. You can see the form has been reset. Error messages will also appear if we click into the fields and then press Tab to move to another field or click away. We will also learn how to disable the Submit button so that it is only enabled when data is entered into all the fields. You can see that the Submit button is disabled. Let's enter data in all the fields to enable the Submit button. You can see the Submit button is now enabled. Click on it and you will see the registration successful message. The form has been reset and here is the success message. If we open the console, we will see an object with all the data we have entered. The full tutorial will be uploaded soon. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in next tutorial. Till then, stay safe.